Let's check out today this beautiful brand new 2022 Tesla Model Y. It's a dual motor Model Y, has few upgrades compared to just the regular spec. So regular spec would be considered the white one with base wheels. So this one is gray or midnight silver metallic, and it has these 20-inch upgraded wheels. They're called 20-inch induction wheels. So they look really, really good. I like how these wheels look compared to the standard wheels, and also it looks very cool together with this gray color. So it goes well, really good together. Gray, tinted windows, blacked out door handles. Looks awesome. So in this video, we'll do a walk around from the outside, and then we'll check the interior as well. There's a couple of cool features about it as well. Now, first thing I want to say, when you spec out this on Tesla website, if you go with these 20-inch wheels, it shows you that you're decreasing the range compared to just the stock wheels. So maybe if you're a current Tesla driver and you know the real difference, or you experienced that how wheel size changes the actual range, leave a comment so everybody knows as well. But now let's have a look at it. So obviously this vehicle is very, very similar to the Model 3s, but this is a little bit bigger size, and it does make the driving a lot more better, so to speak. With bigger size vehicle, it's roomier and nicer overall. So yes, it costs more, but I think it's money well spent when it comes to upgrade from Model 3 and Model Y. So this one here, like I mentioned before, is particularly nice because it has these 20-inch wheels. It has this gray color, and it looks really good with gray with tinted windows, with these all elements of like door handles, and then around the windows everything is blacked out and looks really sharp. From the back, I really like how this spoiler line is designed, so it makes the vehicle look nicer, sharper. You don't need to put extra spoilers, anything like that. So it looks very, very good. Interior of this one is black. So now let's check out the interior. And as we open the door, we have this beautiful interior. Now, obviously, if you are a Tesla owner, you know what it's all about. But if you're new to Tesla, you'll appreciate the simplicity and upscale feel of this Tesla. So this one here has full glass roof. If you're familiar with Model 3s always has this like middle bar right there, so that kind of separates the roof. But this one has full glass roof, and especially if you're sitting from on the second row, this is where you can experience the biggest benefits of it, right? So see how panoramic it is. You can see the clouds and everything else, and then when the sun beams, it actually doesn't rejects the heat, so it doesn't become too hot. So this is how the front interior looks. So maybe let's move into the driver's seat and check out a little bit more. We'll have a look at the trunk here in a sec as well. Interior, very nice, basically same as Model 3. I read somewhere that the Model Y is about 70 or 80% same as Model 3, which kind of makes sense when you look at the vehicle. But the headroom is way bigger in the Model Y, and then this full panoramic roof just stands out a lot. So this screen, super nice, very good resolution quality, big sized. You have the navigation here and all the other vehicle controls. One very cool part about Model Y is here we have 2 charging pads for your cell phones, and they actually work really, really good. I've been in vehicles, driven the vehicles that claim they have charging pads, but as you start to drive and then the phones are shifting around a bit, they lose the connection and they actually stop charging your phone. Tesla's stuff works like magic. It actually sits here, like even if you're driving a little bit faster and whatnot, you will still have a charging connection, and it will charge. I like it a lot. So here there's some nice storage space right here, and then also here 2 cup holders, of course, but enough room for everything. And you do have room in the doors as well for some bottles or whatever stuff you would have. This, by the way, Model S doesn't have it, so this is a big plus that the Model Y has it. Now let's have a look at the trunk space as well. And trunk is where the Model Y really stands out, because let's say I've had a privilege of driving Mach-E for quite some time, and basically the Mach-E didn't had as much room, and then when you fold this up, like basically there was like battery for the Ford, so there's you know, this area doesn't exist in Mach-E, but in Tesla and Model Y, look how much stuff you can put in here. And there's also room right there, and there's room on the other side, and then if you want to fold it down, you can layer things on top of it. Very, very cool. Lots of space. And of course there's some stuff in the front trunk that you can put as well, so we'll have a look what's the size on the front here in a bit. So, and if you fold this up, even here you have a little bit of more storage room. So storage wise, I don't think there's any vehicle out there that would have as much storage as Model Y. So of course you also have heated seats and heated steering wheel, all those nice options, a fantastic app that you can basically control the vehicle temperatures and everything else. So now let's have a look at the front. And this is what you get for the front space. So this is a lot. You can put your charging stuff here, you can put something else, a gym bag or whatever. There's a lot of things that will fit in here. So when it comes to space and putting the stuff in a car, there's a lot you can do with this Tesla. So there we go. Thank you so much for checking this Model Y. It's a 2022 midnight silver, or midnight silver, or gray as they call it, and 20-inch induction wheels. Looks very, very good. One of the best color combinations, I think. I like it a lot. Leave a comment if this is your favorite spec or not. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in next videos.